There's lots of debate between the grown-ups about how we move towards a more sustainable future. But whose future will this affect the most? Today, we're here at the Folkestone Bookshop with a group of young eco-superheroes to hear their ideas and thoughts for super solutions. And to remind us adults that you don't need to be an expert in sustainability to have your say in the district-wide carbon plan.
He stops the bad guys from destroying the bugs.
So my superhero has a penguin head. His hands is for recycling bins so that he can take all the pollution out of the sea and then recycle it.
My superhero has super hearing and super eyesight, and he got lasers and he saved the earth.
He's also got a first aid kit, so any animals that are harmed from the plastic in the sea, that he can help them.
Have you got a name?
Well, we have Bug Lady here, and she has lovely, gentle fingers. Is that right? Yeah, and the gentle fingers holds all the spiders super gently.
It's super hands. He picks up litter.
My name is Pollutio. I go from building to building and scan the sea and land for looking for falling trees and litter and people that are driving too fast.
This is Ghost Look. Villains can't see me, so I can take them down, and I can also make all the pollution in the sea disappear.
With using my ghost magic.
Bumble, what does Bumble do?
And so we do.
Mine is it can fly and it has electric lines on its wings.
My superhero is called Aquabug. He picks up all the pollution from the sea and recycles it in his hands, and then it goes down his body and it recycles. And then he also has sprays, so once he finds animals that are trapped in plastic, he can spray that on them and the plastic just disappears.
He's called Iceman. Mine saves the ice people in the icebergs, and it has spray to when they spray the people baddies, and then the baddies disappear into ice.
What? There's an attack? An emergency? And you need some superheroes? Do you think we can help you?
To defeat hypno-energy, we're going to have to create energy from sun or natural light and try and overload him to make a big explosion.
Oh, nice! So you're going to overpower him with energy. What happens when he explodes? Nice.
To get a black widow photo on his head to bite his head.
So you're going to use other nature to defeat. Amazing.
Litterbug is putting all the pollution into the sea and making all the animals really ill.
Super Hand throws Litterbug as hard as he can to Aquaman.
And then Aquaman sprays Litterbug with his special spray so he disappears.
Then Icebug saves the animals.
Thank you to all our wonderful young eco-superheroes for their awesome ideas. And if you've been inspired, whether you're 5 or 105, everyone can share their ideas for a more sustainable future via the district-wide carbon plan.